Hey, Missybeelondon here, and look what I'm unboxing. Yes, your eyes are seeing right. It is Glossybox. No, it's not Birchbox, it's Glossybox. I used to get Glossybox back in the days, earlier on this year slash last year. Then I stopped because I got boredom. But hey, kept on getting emails from them, and I thought this is a good offer. Free for under £30, so to say. So yeah, I just got it, and plus the Halloween theme, that's what I wanted. I'll get November's box and I'll get December's box, and hopefully it will have a nice Christmas theme. Anyway, you're watching me open the box, and this is the pamphlet that lets you know about the information in this box. Glossybox costs £10 per month, and you pay extra for P&P depending on where you are in the world, UK or rest of the world. So yeah, it's a great box to get if you want to get like new beauty stuff, try out different beauty products, skin, face. Yeah, anyway, let me open it up. And what's the first item I pick up? Yes, nope, I'm just watching. Okay, I have picked up the, what have I picked up? I can't even read it. Luna by Luna Cosmetics, and it's a translucent powder. Recommended retail price of £17. I mean, this will not be suitable for my skin because I'm dark skin, and this is for fair skin. But hey, what can I say about it? It's a translucent powder you put over your face when you put your makeup on to absorb oil. That's what you do with it. The next product is, you know when you're trying to read the card and you still can't read what's on the card? This works in transit camera close up. What is it? A primer, so to say. And it was £17 recommended retail price. And this product here, MUA Makeup Academy, and it's a luxe strobe and glow highlighter kit. I'm not really feeling this on my skin tone either, so yeah, but it's good price though. And this is Illamasqua. Yes, I can pronounce Illamasqua because I know about them high-end makeup people. And it's anti-matter lipstick, and the shade is Nebula, and it's full size as well. Yeah, it's very pink, ain't it? This is not my shade as well. This is the problem I have here for my shade, and things not suitable for me, but it's still nice though when you think about how much it is. It's a high-end makeup product. Well, to me it's a high-end makeup product. I know they do good primer because I've tried that before, so what can you say, innit? Yes, so this is a sleek makeup eyeshadow palette. Oh, so special. Yeah, I didn't open it in this clip, but I'm going to open it at the end so you can see the shades as well. You know me, struggle opening products on camera, plus I just done my nails as well, so double struggle. So yeah, I must say they are nice colors though. I'm very surprised because I was thinking I might not like them. Doesn't look the same on the card that I got, but hey, yeah, all these, oh yeah, I forgot to say you get 5 products in each box that you get. I've not really watched people's other boxes because there is a trick as well. I got treats, so that means they're nice products. Trick means more Halloweeny theme, but yeah, it's kind of good. I'm surprised. Oh yeah, this for the advent calendar. There's the code right there. I'm not gonna get it because I don't really want to get an advent calendar. I've not got time for advent calendar. If you're giving it to me for free, I don't mind, but I'm not gonna pay that money for an advent calendar because I don't want to. It's like paying a lot of money and knowing that half the products you get in this thing you're not gonna use. So yeah, it does look nice though, but yeah, If I get it for free, I don't mind, but I'm not paying for it. I'm just giving you my honest opinion on this. What can I say? There's a code again. You can see it, you can take it. These are my two favorite products in this box. As you can see, it is that product again. This works. And the sleek makeup. I mean, look at the colors. Hopefully the camera picked it up. I see shimmer, I see matte, and I see other colors in it as well, or how it looks on the camera, shall I say, but it looks better in real life. Has a mirror as well, and the applicator, eyeshadow applicator. But yeah, like I said, I wasn't sure about this eyeshadow palette, but when I opened it, yeah, I'm keeping this eyeshadow palette. So Glossybox, you did well this month. I'm very surprised. Thank you, and thanks for watching. Stay in store for November. Bye.